Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn. It is so lovely to meet you and I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we have a second collaboration with the company JUST4KIRA. As stated, it's my second collaboration. I adore this company so far. Well, not necessarily the company, but the company's products. I don't know an awful lot about the company, so I'll just disclose that now, but I do adore this company's products. I've been using their contact lenses for probably about 3 or 4 months now, and they just work. I can't remember what I called my last video, but my last video was something like contact lenses for really dark eyes, because as you can see, I do have very dark eyes. These contact lenses cover them. They look blue or green, whatever I want them to look, that is how they look. So yeah, I did that about 3 or 4 months ago, and then last week the brand contacted me asking if I'd just run through some new colours with you guys. So I am more than happy to do that. I'm so excited. So that is what we're doing today. I've got an unboxing of some more contact lenses, some new colours. We'll be trying them on, seeing what they look like, seeing if the new colours go over dark brown eyes, which I am certain that they will. That is what we're doing today. If that is something that might interest you, then please keep on watching. Before we get into the box unboxing, I just want to clarify 2 things. One, this is gifted, so I've not paid for any of these. I didn't pay for any of the last ones. I'm out of breath. That's not number 2, but you know. Secondly, I don't get paid for these. So JUST4KIRA did offer me commission based upon sales and stuff of who uses my discount code. However, I have completely and absolutely pinky promise you guys said no, I don't want commission. I'm not getting paid for these. And that's 1, because I want to be a bit more real with you guys, and 2, because I'm just genuinely not allowed. For my current real day job, I'm not allowed to earn commission, because then that means I'm getting paid from a different source. So at the moment, the only person that can pay me is YouTube. So I don't get paid from JUST4KIRA, I get paid from the AdSense on YouTube. Let's unbox the box. Exactly the same as the last one. If you have not seen the last one, I will link it up here. But here is the box. It just says JUST4KIRA. It's just a typical black box. Coloured contact lenses. And then it says beautiful, comfortable, breathable on the side, which I can vouch for because of the other ones I've had. Oh, and then on the front it says lost in your eyes. I don't know if these are cruelty free. I have no idea. I will try and do some digging to see if they are cruelty free, but I'll be honest, because these are Asian, but I know specifically to sell in China you have to have things animal tested, so they're probably not. So in the box, this is what we get. We have just the company logo at the top, and then it says thank you for your order. Something to do with being randomly selected for product testing. Not that we need that. Then you've got their Instagram account as well, which I'll pop here. And then onto the actual goodies. Here are all of how it's packaged. So all of the contact lenses. All of the lenses come individually packaged, and that's because you can pop your real prescription. There you go. You can put your prescription in there. So if one eye is worse than the other one, you can alter that. It's really easy. So you get all of the individual ones, and then you also get these cool little like pot things. So this is what the pots look like. They are just plastic contact lens pots, and then on the inside you get like these little tools, which I'll be honest, this one here I don't really use. So that is what that looks like. I don't really use this squishy plungy thing, but these are amazing. So these are little tiny clippers, and I use these all the time to flip my lenses around. So yeah, I really like these. You don't get any lens solution. However, the lens solution I have is for sensitive eyes, and it was like £1.50 from B&M or Home Bargains. So you don't actually have to. You don't have to spend an awful lot of money for some contact lens solution. You can get it anywhere. Now onto the fun part. Let me show you the 4 new colours that I got. I had to make sure over and over again that I didn't pick the same colours as last time, because I kept feeling myself drawn into those colours, and of course I was. That's why I picked them. So this one is their Mirage colour range, and I got these in the shade Norco Blue. I'm not sure how best you'll be able to see these, but they are what the Norco Blue look like. Also, if you do order from this company, I really struggled the first time around with the boxes because you can't unwrap them. I was an idiot. There's like this really easy push in bit here, and you just push that in Where is it? I can't do it backwards. Okay, maybe it's not. There you go. There you go. And flick up. I just wanted to quickly pop on and show you the contact lens solution that I have. So it's nothing really, really special. But then again, contact lens solution is kind of just sterile water. So, you know. But this is the one that I picked up. It's from the brand Optivive. This is like £1.50, £2 from Home Bargains and B&M. I really like it for my eyes because before I started using coloured contact lenses, I'd never worn contacts, and this seems to kind of minimise any discomfort. So yeah, for me, it's alright. Okie dokie, so here are the Norco Blue. They took me a long time to get in because I have not put in contacts for about a week, and every time I leave it a few days, I kind of forget the muscle memory and my eyes don't stay open, so I end up looking like an idiot. But anyway, I put them in. I really, really, really like them. They are very, very bright, very blue. They almost remind me a bit like Alice in Wonderland kind of blue. Like, I know the Cheshire Cat has like yellow eyes, but it reminds me of that. I don't know why. I have to admit as well, they are really comfy, and this one's a bit less comfy now, but this one, I've just put this one in, and there's no like tunnel vision. I can see absolutely fine. I've got quite big pupils as well, so normally I struggle with finding contacts where I don't have a tiny bit of like blur around the edge. So far these are well good, so I really like the colour. They're comfy. They just took me a long time to get in, which is the same as every other pair of contact lenses I'll ever try in my life. Next up, let's do these ones next. So these ones are from the, sorry for my pronunciation, Shimasaki range. This is what the box looks like. Very, like, I don't know, looks very like professional. And then the shade is Hanthy Green, which looks like that on the packaging. Oh wow, I have a funny feeling these are going to be really, really bright. So I doubt you're going to see this. If you can, then well done to your eyesight. But they're like lime green. I still really, really like these ones, to be honest with you. I'd quite like to leave these ones in, but I need to test out the others. That's the best I can do to show you. It's kind of like lime green with no extra colour, so I'm not sure how this is going to work over my very, very dark brown eyes, but we will give it our best shot. Okay, it did take me slightly the same amount of time as the last pair, but these are the Hanthy Green contacts. I'll zoom you in a second. I'll be honest, exactly the same as the last pair. The pupil bit is so big that I can see perfectly fine. Like, there's no tunnel vision, there's no blurriness. They are green, but they're like, I don't know how to explain it. They're very, very natural looking. That's kind of the way that, the only way I can describe it. Really, really like these. They're very natural. Moving on. So the next blue pair we have is very different to the Norcos. These are a little bit less natural. They're called Glitter Blue, which the name in the title strongly suggests there is going to be a wee bit of glitter in there. This is also part of the Mirage range, and it is literally called Glitter Blue. In the packaging, they look very like blue with a hint of green, so that is what we have. If it will load, there we go. They have the tiniest hint of green in the bottom of them. Okay, I am getting a little bit faster. They definitely didn't take half as long. So here are the Glitter Blue ones. I really, really like these. They don't look natural, but they do at the same time. I don't really understand it. So yeah, I really like these. Nothing else really to say. And now actually I had to kind of disappear for 5-10 minutes, and now this one's completely settled down, so this one is also as comfy as this one. They are genuinely really comfortable though. Cannot fault comfort. Last colour. So the last colour we have is another Mirage colour, and this one is I want to say Sinita Grey. That is what it says, in case you know how to pronounce it better than me. And so that is what it looks like. It is very, very plainly grey. Hopefully that looks really pretty on. I can imagine it does, because, you know, grey eyes, I do like grey eyes. I like grey eyes, especially like just as much as blue eyes. So hopefully it looks nice. Let's go and pop that on, and then I need to leave those in for a few hours because I need to film another video after this. So be right back. And there we have it, guys. These are the Sonata Grey contacts. These are probably my favourites of the bunch, to be honest. I absolutely love these. They are so comfy. It's taken me 5 minutes to get them both in, and they have both adjusted within those 5 minutes, which I think is bloody good going. I can see fine out of them. There is no tunnel vision, and they just look awesome. So let me zoom you in. Here are the contacts. I absolutely love them. I love the grey. They're like, I don't really understand how they make these look so natural, because like all of the little tiny details around like the pupil, I just think they look so natural. I love it. And that is it, to be honest. I have done all 4 colours. That's my second collab with Just for Kyra. I just want to say, Just for Kyra, I absolutely love you. Thank you so much for collabing with me again. Yeah, thanks so much. It's like an opportunity that, you know, I wouldn't really get anywhere else. So yeah, thank you so much. Let me know if you like the colours. Let me know what your favourite colour is, actually. That's probably the best way of doing this. Let me know what your favourite colour is. Mine, I think, is definitely between this one. I love them all, to be honest. I was going to say this one, the Hampi green, or the first blue pair, but I mean the second blue pair are also really pretty. I don't know. I don't really have a favourite, but these ones are definitely staying on for the foreseeable. Massive thanks again to the company for sending these out. I hugely appreciate it. If you want to get your own pairs or pairs, if you want to buy anything from Just for Kyra, I do have a discount code. I think it's 10% off. It might be 20. Let me double check and I'll pop it here. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. If you're new here and you haven't yet done so, please consider subscribing. Stay safe, guys. Have a fantastic evening. And I really hope that I get to see you in my next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.